Which ball are we just throwing?
This one.
Oh yeah, let's go this one.
Alex Smith and the Chiefs had the feel of a Super Bowl contender, but are losing their grip on the division lead, entering Week 12 with 4 losses in their last 5.
Hey, come on now. Hey, one at a time, huh? Locked in, one at a time. Wide right! Let's go, next one. Hey, next one. This play right here. Hey, this play right here. This one.
Alex Smith stepping up in the pocket, trying to keep the play alive. Now he'll run. A yard short of the first down.
No, that's a bad spot. What?
A 4th straight 3 and out.
Let's go, let's settle down. Hey, let's settle down, huh? Let's go. Hey, we're good. Here we go, oh! Let's go! Come on now, bear down. Let's go, huh? One at a time. Starts with one play.
Remember all your stuff here, right?
Yeah.
Just play the game.
Let's go. One at a time, let's get it going. Hey, good tempo too here, huh? We're rolling.
Bubble left. It goes to Albert Wilson, 15, 10, cuts inside, touchdown! Kansas City!
Yeah!
That play was beautiful. The Chiefs now back in this ball game.
I'm just looking at dude off.
The Cadence made that play.
Yeah.
3rd down Cadence, that saved us.
Yeah.
Saved us. Good job. Way to go, man. Good job.
Yeah. Hey, do you know what's coming? Hey, just trying to look him up. Great job. Hey, great job.
We're coming back and winning this.
I know. Hey, let's go. Everybody just do your job. Let's go.
1:25 to go in the game at the Buffalo 36. Chiefs trailing 16-10.
Wide 80! I shot!
It's intercepted on the left side. Intercepted by the Bills at the 50. It's Tre'Davious White, and he's at the 10 and pulled down from behind, and that will end it. Smith, his 4th pick of the year, but all of these have happened in the last couple of games.
Hey, nice job. Way to battle, bro.
Appreciate it. You too.
Yeah. Keep going. Stay healthy. Likewise. Yeah.
Chiefs are going to lose it to the Bills 16-10. And after a 5-0 start, the Chiefs now have lost 5 of the last 6.